China Western Power Industrial Company Limited is a professional system solution provider. The company was established in 1983 and registered in Zhejiang City, Sichuan Province. It is a listed company engaged in renewable energy, novel materials, general project contracting, investments, and operations. With its development, the company has established 3 centers and 3 bases, namely 3 major management operation and R&D centers, and 3 major manufacturing bases for power plant equipment, renewable energy equipment, and energy saving and environmental protection R&D. The company has a floor area of 570,000 square meters, nearly 2,000 employees, and more than 2,000 sets of R&D manufacturing and testing equipment. As a national enterprise technology center and a high-tech enterprise, the company has kept in-depth cooperation with famous universities and institutions, such as the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University, Zhejiang University, and Xi'an University. With industry-leading comprehensive research and production capabilities, it has successfully won the 2nd prize of National Science and Technology Progress Award and more than 10 provincial and ministerial Science and Technology Progress Awards, and has been granted with more than 300 technical patents. In recent years, it has developed 23 first-of-the-kind, top 1 or largest products in the industry, many of which have filled gaps in China and abroad, serving customers in 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and in more than 50 countries and regions around the world. The company has several manufacturing qualifications, such as Class A qualifications for boiler manufacturing and installation, Class A1 qualification for pressure vessel manufacturing, including design, and ASME SU-U2 certifications. It also has engineering qualifications, such as Class 1 qualification for general contracting in power projects, Class 1 qualification for construction projects, Class 2 qualification for municipal projects, Class 1 qualification for specialized environmental engineering, and Class 1 qualification for specialized building decoration and renovation projects. With commitments to environmental protection, we are always concerned about people's livelihood. For more than 40 years, the company has been focusing on the design and manufacture of renewable energy equipment, novel materials, environmental protection equipment, and clean power plants, as well as system solutions, EPC contracting, investments, and operations. It has ranked 4th in China in the power generation boiler industry, represented by Ultra Supercritical Boiler. It takes leads in waste-to-energy biomass boiler, solid waste treatment, and alkali recovery boilers, among other fields. The company has successfully undertaken nearly 1,000 biomass power generation projects, represented by Zhangjiang Biomass Power Plant, a project of Guangdong Yudian. It has also undertaken nearly 100 waste-to-energy projects, represented by Shenzhen Laohukang Waste-to-Energy Power Plant. Shenzhen Laohukang Waste-to-Energy Plant won the Ministry of Construction's Gold Award for solid waste treatment. Thailand Ratchaburi Biomass Power Plant won the Lubon Prize for overseas projects, and Panziwa Waste-to-Energy Plant won the 2020 to 2021 National Quality Engineering Award. The 4th company in China to provide supercritical pulverized coal-fired boilers. 1,200 ton per hour supercritical Hami high-chlorine coal-fired power plant boiler for Hoshin Silicon Industry, Shanshan Company Limited. The first boiler exported from China, currently with the most diversified mixed combustion gases in the world, more than 4 types. 8 by 340 ton per hour South Korean green ultra high pressure blast furnace mixed gas combustion boiler for Hyundai. 200 ton per hour petroleum coke fired high temperature and high pressure circulating fluidized bed boiler for National Electricity Corporation of Sudan. 1,190 ton per hour subcritical power plant boiler for Zuping Changshan Power Plant of Shandong Weishao Pioneering Group Company Limited. Alkali recovering boiler with the world's largest daily solid processing capacity of 13,200 tons. Andritz Indonesia OKI RB2 subcontract. 1,438 days of operation, the world's record for the longest continuous operation of coal-fired power units. 150 megawatt pulverized coal-fired boiler for Unit 1 of South Sulawesi Power Plant in Indonesia. China Western Power has rich experience in project management in China and abroad. It always aims to bring the maximum values to customers and provides customers with general contracting services and general contracting plus financing services, covering system and product design, lean equipment procurement, high quality and efficient construction, or several combinations of them in conventional and renewable energy fields. 2.758 billion value, 660 megawatt clean energy project in Nam Phan, Laos. 2 by 300 megawatt clean and efficient power plant for India T project. 1 by 300 megawatt clean and efficient power plant for India M project. 2 by 350 ton per day waste to energy project in Colombo, Sri Lanka. 2 by 300 ton per day waste to energy project in Zanye, Gansu province. 2 by 400 ton per day waste to energy project in Zhaotong, Yunnan province. The company is involved in front-end investments and back-end operations of the industry by investing in finance, renewable energy, environmental protection, municipal, transportation, and other industrial fields. Forms a commercial closed loop of planning and design, equipment manufacturing, and project construction. Gives full play to its own advantages in combining financial, industrial, and management resources. Provides services to customers and creates value for the society. It has always been involved in its core business by solid commitment to the R&D and marketing of power plant boiler equipment, environmental protection, renewable energy, and novel materials. It is actively involved in wind plus solar plus thermal power, agri-PV, forestry plus PV, and fishery plus PV integration EPC projects, and will take hydrogen and fuel cells and magnesium aluminum copper alloys as important engines for its new eras of stable growth. China Western Power takes satisfaction of customers as its only value. We are committed to global expansion and always adhere to the fundamental purposes of green development and environmental improvement. We are actively involved in the macro proposition of harmonious coexistence between nature and mankind, and on this basis continuously advance our business. With original aspiration and craftsmanship always in mind, we will dedicate our green development visions and sincere green service to the livelihood-improving projects, the environmental undertakings, and the research and development of renewable energy and novel materials, creating value for customers and satisfying them. Through unremitting efforts, we will be committed to improve environment and livelihood.